The width and the height of the main player, platforms, and checkpoints will be proportional sized. Proportional, which means it should have the same size or the aspect ratio, which is relative to the inner height of the browser screen. The goal is to make the game responsive and visually consistent across different screen sizes. So inside your proportional size function, okay, you will need to return a ternary. So we return a ternary, and we know that a ternary looks like this, that it has a condition, and if it's true, it should execute 1. If it's false, it should execute 2. So given this example, we will try, or we will attempt to finish this step. So the condition would be the checking of the inner height. If the inner height rather is less than 500, and a question mark in here to question this condition. So if it's true, so if it's true rather, it should execute this with the matseal method. Otherwise, it should return the size. So let's have a step back and let's explain how JavaScript reads this code. So matseal method is a method that takes a value, specifically a decimal, which will round that decimal to its nearest integer. So let's say if we have a size of the value 2 and then a size, the inner height of 10, that would mean this would be 2 and then this would be height. So let's say if we are running the code, JavaScript would read this one. So it would calculate first the parentheses because it is the higher precedence. So we divide 500 by 2. That would be that would be 0.004. And then the next operation will be the multiplication. So therefore, we multiply 0.004 to 10, which would have a result of 0.04. Now, 0.04 is a decimal, and also it is inside the matseal method, which matseal method always take a value, specifically again a decimal, which rounds off to its nearest integer. So that would mean the output of this calculation would be 1. So that is how JavaScript will read this code. So that would be it. Nice.